What happens when you get arrested? First of all, there's going to be some sort of investigation, whether you are aware of it or not. Either there's been some sort of investigation by the police behind the scenes, or if it's a DWI situation, they order you out of the car and they make you perform field sobriety tests. That's their investigation. So the police have developed probable cause to arrest you. They arrest you, they put you in handcuffs, and they read you your Miranda rights. You have the right to remain silent. Anything you say can and will be used against you in the court of law, so on and so forth. Everybody knows what their Miranda rights are. What happens next? Off to the police station you go. They fingerprint you. They photograph you. That is your mugshot. I'm sure everybody's seen Nick Nolte's mugshot, which is an outstanding mugshot. That is a matter of public record now. You have a criminal record. Those fingerprints are what generate your criminal record. At that point, the police officers will fill out their report. If it's a vehicle and traffic situation, they're going to fill out the tickets. Depending on the severity of the crime that you've been arrested for, they may or may not hold you to put you in front of a judge for bail so you can spend the night in jail. And then they're going to bring you in front of a judge and you're going to get arraigned. I've known of people, there's plenty of people who've been arraigned in front of a judge at 2 in the morning. What does an arraignment mean? That means they put you in front of a judge. The judge reads the charges to you, lets you know what you've been charged with. The judge will generally enter a plea of not guilty for you and adjourn the case for you to acquire counsel and come back. A judge may or may not set bail depending on the severity of the crime that you've committed and your criminal record. If bail is set, you have to post bail before you are let out of jail. Bail can be paid by cash or bond. If you are sharp enough to get on the phone and get a hold of an attorney, we can get you in touch with a bail bondsman or have your family get in touch with a bail bondsman. If the bail is, set very high that you can't shell out the amount of cash that is necessary to post bail for cash, and then you get bailed out. Then you will have a court appearance date, 2 weeks down the line where you got to come back. The DA's office will have opened their case. If you hire counsel, which you should hire counsel, you're going to be talking to your attorney about what your legal options are in your case, what the charges are that you face, what the penalties are that you face, and then the litigation process starts. Please remember, if bail is posted and you blow off court, you're going to forfeit that bail. That means it's gone. And you could also be charged with the crime of bail jumping, in addition to whatever you were arrested for. So make sure you always show up in court, or you have a legitimate excuse to not show up in court, and you communicate it to your lawyer before the court date and get permission from the court not to be present. So that's generally what's going to go on when you get arrested.